Well, hello again. As you may know, for the past couple of years, I've been spending my winters in Thailand. In this video, I'm going to share with you a typical morning stroll along Jomtien Beach. Every morning for 6 months, I would go for a 5-kilometer walk along Beach Road and watch the locals socializing and sharing food as the expats would flock to this 6-kilometer stretch of sand and sea. So if you're considering a visit or a long stay in the Jomtien area, sit back and enjoy this video and you can see what life could be like for you living in Thailand. Alright, time to hit the road. Let's go. The Laguna Beach Resort 2 is one of hundreds of options for long-term stays in Jomtien. This resort has 4 buildings, each with 7 floors, and is about 800 meters from the beach. It has plenty of food vendors nearby, and only a 5-minute walk to Romo Market on 2nd Road. Across the road, I would continue to walk down Soi 7. It's about 400 meters with several options for places open early for breakfast. Once I hit Beach Road, I would take the Baht Bus a few kilometers south to Chai Phuoc Road, where my return walk home would continue. Thailand is super hot. In order to beat the heat, I preferred to walk with the sun at my back, so I went south on the Baht Bus first so I could walk home northward along Beach Road. When I was near my destination, I would just ring the buzzer to let the driver know that I was ready to get off. Another way I used to beat the heat was to stop at the local convenience store to get myself some ice cream. I would usually buy some baked treats and an iced coffee for breakfast and spend a few moments sitting on the beach, being mindful of the moment, just listening to the sound of the sea and being thankful that my journey has brought me here to Thailand. As I continue to walk northward on the beach, one of the interesting places that I really wanted to share with you was the Together Barbershop. This place is located on Soi Welcome 2, and this place is where a group of men can all get their hair cut at the same time. It seems to be very popular with the Asian and Indian gentlemen tourists who enjoy going out on the night with matching haircuts. In the morning, it is common for many local Thai people to socialize in the shaded areas along the beach. Sharing a drink and food is a big part of Thai culture. All along the beach, you will find umbrella stations where you can rent a chair or a lounger for the day. Each section is operated by a family who set up and take down the chairs every day, except for one day a month, where they take the day off. One of the things you'll see along the beach is a large population of resident squirrels, whom the tourists love to feed. On this day, there was quite a gentle sea breeze blowing in, helping to keep all the people cool in the 33-degree temperature. About a kilometer later, I passed by the Jomtien boat launch. For a fee, tractor operators launch and retrieve tour boats from the sea every morning and night, and it can be quite challenging when the tide is out. Jomtien is such a peaceful beach, a great mix of open beach areas, treat areas, and umbrella stations. And if you choose to rent a beach chair for the day, you can be sure that the beach chair operator will take good care of you. He will serve you food and drinks, order food for you as well if you like, and they know all the beach vendors. And if you want anything from a massage or you want to buy a beach towel, you just chat with your operator and they'll set you up. Another jewel on Jomtien Beach is the Copacabana Resort. This 60-story resort complex is the first of 2 Copacabana resort developments here in Jomtien. The second is currently under construction. There are 1,644 1- and 2-bedroom units in this building with infinity pools on the 40th and 60th floors, and some of the units have their own private pool extending out to their balcony.
Okay, 3 kilometers down, 2 to go.
Not far past the Copacabana, I pass a children's play park, which is very popular in the evening with locals and tourists alike. And further on down the beach, I pass an open beach area where special events like music festivals, and they take place usually on a monthly basis. Later each morning, the tide would roll out and shallow water and sand was an ideal place to walk, explore, and dig for clams or even some crabs. Here, somebody has their food delivered, which is such a great convenience here in Thailand. And the street food is not only cheap, but tastes amazing. Aroy mak mak. Today there was a sailing race, and here is the stage set up on the beach to display the medal presentations later in the day.
Okay, we've made the entire length of Jomtien Beach. It's been about 4 kilometers since I left home. We got about another 1.5 kilometers. We're gonna head back that way, so let's go.
From here, I head east, away from Beach Road down to Prai Road. Sidewalks are often not available for pedestrians, so sometimes you have to share the road with motorbikes, cars, and buses.
I'm not sure if I mentioned, it is hot out today. Oh my gosh, hot. Ron mak mak.
To Prai Road is a very popular main street here in Jomtien with many hotels, restaurants, bars, coffee shops, nightclubs, and even pool halls if you're interested in billiards. Hey look, there's a subway. Once I return to 2nd Road, I head back south again about another 0.5 kilometer until I arrive at Romo Market. As you can see, by midday, there is not much shade and the pavement can get very hot, so I prefer to do this walk early in the morning. Back at the market, I'll usually stop for lunch or pick up some fresh fruit and vegetables to enjoy back home in the comfort of my air-conditioned condo while I do some writing and editing indoors until the sun goes down. Remember, wherever you are and wherever you go, go with the flow.